Hey, I just made $8 in 1 minute. But here's the crazy part. I didn't even do the work. If you're not doing this yet, you might be leaving easy money on the table. Let me show you how. This is called beep. You will not know until the end of this video. It's the fastest way to make money online without having to learn any special skills. All you do is beep, beep, beep. All you do is connect clients with freelancers and keep the profits. Sounds too good to be true? I thought so too until I saw results. Here's the breakdown. For example, a client just paid me $20 for a job, and I found a freelancer who did it for $12. I pocketed $8 in less than a minute. The best part, this happens over and over while you watch your earnings grow. Here's the thing. Most people don't even know about this, but those who do, they're quietly making bank while you're scrolling. The window to get in early is closing fast as more people catch on to this. If you wait too long, you might miss out. Think about it. This isn't about just making $8 in 1 minute. Some people are doing 50, 100 or more per job, and it's all happening from home. No experience, no inventory, and no complicated tech. But here's the catch. There are only limited opportunities right now. You need to jump on this before the market gets crowded. If you're not using this, someone else will, and they will take the clients you could be serving. So why not be one of the smart ones who gets in early? This is a game changer. And you don't want to be the one looking back saying, I wish I started sooner. So follow me for more tips. DM me if you want to know how to get started. Don't wait till it's too late. And if you DM me and you want the secret step-by-step instructions, we got a sale right now. So I see you later.